Today we're installing universal seat covers in a JK Wrangler. So we're going to do the front seat first, we're going to do the top, and then we'll do the bottom. It comes with the back for both front seats, the bottoms for both front seats. It comes with headrest covers, and then it comes with the back seat as well, and also seatbelt pads. So we're going to install the backrest of the front seat first. So you take the cover and slide it over the back seat and pull it down so that it fits right over top of where the attachment points are, and then it's got the tie on top that you'll want to tie that underneath where the headrest sits, and then pull it down tight. And this part here at the bottom will tuck underneath the seat. So you want to use the provided hook. They just slip on over top of the loop, and then you'll connect the loop to the bottom loop that corresponds. So there's a left, right, and a center. And that holds the top of the front seat cushion on. All right, so install the bottom of the front seat. You want to slide it over top of the front and then pull it around. And then in the back, you want to take this part here, and that gets tucked through underneath the back seat, and it loops around. All right, so again, same install as the top. You want to take the clip and loop the clip around the loop, and then just tuck it underneath the seat and find something underneath to hook it on to keep it tight. And you'll go all around. There's a bunch of loops all around the bottom, and then the 3 that we push through on the back, and you'll just want to do that repeatedly. All right, so next we're going to do is the headrest cover install. You can either do this with the headrest on the seat or with it off. It's your preference. So you want to slip the cover over the headrest, obviously with the mesh part facing forwards, and then you'll pull it down and around, and it will tie. There's 4 ties on it. All right, so you'll take the 2 ties and tie them underneath and around. All right, so once you get the headrest cover installed, you want to reinstall the headrest into the holes. Snap it down, and that's all installed. So now we're going to install the bottom part of the rear seat. There's a mesh part that goes towards the front. So it loops around the seat like that. And then the back part tucks underneath. So you want to make sure to get it under the seat belts. So when you pull it through, the seat belts aren't in the way. So when you get the bottom of the rear seat on, it has similar install to the front seats. It's got these loops. You'll put the hooks on them and then latch them underneath, and you want to go all the way around and then across the back as well till it's secure. All right, so to install the top part of the rear seat, the mesh part will be towards the top. There'll be 2 holes, one on each side, that'll go over top of the headrest. So you want to run it there and then loop it around the back. And then you want to go across to the opposite side and do the same with the other headrest and loop it over the corners there. Then as you go around, you'll tuck it underneath. All right, so after you get the back part installed, you're going to want to slip the headrest cover over pull the straps around, and then you'll tie it just like you did with the front covers. All right, so to install the seatbelt covers, super easy. They just Velcro open, wrap it around the seatbelt, and then reattach the Velcro, and you're done. So this is how you install the seat covers, the universal seat covers from OffGrid store. Thanks for watching.